Today is a very special day. Today we are making Hamantaschen!
Hamantaschen!
What are Hamantaschen, guys?
Hamantaschen are triangle-shaped cookies filled with jam.
And why are we making Hamantaschen?
To celebrate Purim!
Making Hamantaschen is a very special day for us. Growing up, my family and I would make hundreds of Hamantaschens that we would give out to our family and friends. And it's really special to us to be able to carry on this tradition with our children.
Let's get started.
The first thing you want to do is cream together 3 sticks of butter and a cup of sugar. Good job. Once your sugar and butter are creamed together, add 2 eggs, one at a time. Kids in the kitchen equals mess. Next, add 6 tablespoons of orange juice. Good job. How about if you add a splash of vanilla? Do you feel comfortable doing that, or you want me to do it?
I think I could do it.
Okay. Once that's all mixed together, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and then 4½ cups of flour. It does look good.
Once your dough is done, chill it in the fridge.
Go ahead and roll out your dough.
Place some filling in the center. Fold up 2 sides to make a point. Fold up the bottom, make 2 more points so it's a triangle. And really pinch and then fold them down so it looks nice.
Preheat your ovens at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are brown.
What's your favorite flavor?
Nutella. Lemon and cherry and strawberry and almond and blueberry and apple. But not Nutella.
Whatever your favorite flavor, these are a delicious treat and the perfect way to celebrate Purim.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
We should totally be doing this one in costume.
And why are we making Hamantaschen?
We are to celebrate.
And why are we making Hamantaschen?
We are
It's okay, go ahead.
Oh my god.
Somebody hold the bowl.
Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. Wait, no, now I gotta hold the. These are delicious.
Say that again.
What's your favorite flavor?
Nutella, lemon, and